Here's a pair of the AirPods 4. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go to the settings on the Samsung TV. So you can click on your home button. And then on this model here, if you scroll down to the left, then just keep on going left until you get to the gear icon, which is the settings. Click on OK on the remotes. From here, we're going to go down one, sound, OK on the remotes. And now it says sound output TV speaker, but we want the sound output to come out of the AirPods 4. So let's select sound output. Now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. And now you can see it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So we got to hurry up and put these in a pairing mode. So make sure that the buds are in, close the lid, make sure there's no light on here. Now open it up, and then we want to tap twice. 1, 2. There's an invisible button there. Now it's blinking white here, indicating it's in pairing mode. Now we're just going to wait. Oh, it popped up right there. AirPods needs pairing, so I'm going to go down, select it, pair and connect. And voila, we are now connected. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these, okay? If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area, all right?